Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log into your existing account on ChatGPT. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in chatgpt.com and press enter. You will now be taken into the official ChatGPT website. Within this page, you will find the login button at the top right corner. Go ahead and click on it, and this will then open up the login portal. Just type in your email address that you have used while signing up for your account, or you may also continue with your Google, your Microsoft or Apple account. After clicking on continue, you will be asked to enter your password. Type in your account password within the password box and then click on the continue button. And now you will be logged in to your ChatGPT account right away, and you can now immediately start with your queries and questions. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to log into your existing account on ChatGPT. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.